You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases from Cantonese, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing Chinese names and words, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This means boundless happiness, a term of congratulation, of way to wish somebody good fortune. Fuk you dong hoi. Fuk you dong hoi is how you'd say it. Fuk you dong hoi. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.